Cooking power, up to 11,000 total BTUs. 2 adjustable burners, for better temperature control. Large grilling area, 225 square in. Easy setup, sturdy quick fold legs and wheels. Push button ignition, for matchless lighting. Fuel, 1 16.4 ounces propane cylinder sold separately. 3 year limited warranty. Top reviews from the United States. Just buy it. Wow, with the price of camping stoves I reachered and compared for a long time. One weekend I was out camping and saw someone with one of these and was so amazed. I don't care much for the tabletop camping stoves but was willing to settle until I laid my eyes on this. Let me tell you, worth every penny. You're not all hunched over trying to make your food, it's amazing, folds up so nicely, and wow, is it easy to carry around. So glad I saw someone with one of these and did my research before jumping in and buying a typical overpriced tabletop camping stove. If you're on the fence, go ahead and jump that fence and buy it. You definitely won't regret it.